Welcome to the SellerSonar channel. In this video, we will tell you how to benefit from keyword tracking with SellerSonar. Once you log in, go to the keywords page and click the button in the upper right corner to add your keywords. Then, choose a product and enter all the keywords you wish to track. That's it. Soon, we'll add an option to upload keywords to all products in bulk. For that, use the File Import button to open a pop-up window. Then, download the template, fill it with your own keywords, and upload your file with a single click. When your keywords are uploaded, you will get a dashboard with data-driven information of keyword search results. In the summary section, you can quickly check your keywords performance as well as sponsored and organic ranks within the last 10 days, 30 days, 6 months, or last year. Look through overall statistics or filter the data by brand or product. Below, you will find 2 tabs with the list of products and the list of your keywords. The Keywords by Product tab shows how many of your keywords are in the organic and sponsored top. Feel free to export keywords for any product in a convenient format to see how it is performing in search results. Alternatively, the All Keywords tab gives a comprehensive picture of the performance of a certain search term. You can check its dynamics, relative rank position, and search results. The best part is that you can download up to 300 Amazon search results by a specific keyword with an indication of whether it's a paid or organic position. What's next? By clicking on a certain keyword, you will get 3 user-friendly charts to monitor changes in any keyword's rank history, whether it's organic or paid traffic, and see your product's position compared to your competitors. If your competitor listings are added, you can analyze long-term dynamics for each keyword individually over a month, 6 months, or even a year. It helps to identify keywords that tend to rank in the top position on the search results page and earn more clicks. For more convenient monitoring, you can mark the most important keywords with a star so that they will always be on top. By default, the sorting is applied by organic position. Finally, you can add competitors to compare your rankings with other sellers. For that, click Add and either enter the ASINs yourself or use our suggestion. Want to know more about competitor monitoring? Don't miss our next video. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay tuned. See you